Renovating without permits is definitely not recommended. If you start doing any work without permits and you get caught, you're immediately going to have stop work order, which is difficult to rectify. You're going to have heavy fines and violation on the property that's going to cost you at the end more money than doing it legally with permits. The second big issue is if in the future you want to sell your property, it's very easy to find out if the work was done with permits or not. You can just go online to the city and check if there was permit pull. You're going to flag to the prospective buyer that there was unpermitted work that was done in the home. Therefore, it's really worth to go with a legal process, pull the permits and do everything kosher. The other risk is insurance risks. Imagine that you renovate your apartment without any permits and there's a fire, there's an issue with the apartment. The insurance will come and inspect the apartment, and if they see you did anything in the apartment without permits, then your insurance will not cover you for whatever happened in the apartment. So that is extremely dangerous when you do something without permits in your apartment. At the end, the permits and the process is there to protect the homeowner from any issues that can come in the future.